All right, we are out here again to give this 10K another try. Whew, but it is 92 out with a real feel of 102 Fahrenheit, so it's a little toasty, but we're gonna try it again. Got my boots laced a little differently, brought socks with me this time in case start getting hot spots so I can throw those on. Also brought some sandals, so in case I have to walk barefoot, or yeah, I can put those on so I don't have to walk barefoot again. So let's give this a shot. Alright, here starts the incline where I start to huff and puff. Feeling good today though. I mean, it's hot, but feeling good. A lot of traffic on this road today. Yeah, feeling good, feeling good. Yeah, usually that road does not have a lot of traffic, but today, I don't know what it is. Here we go. Steepest part of this climb, I think. Guess I would know if I finished it. I got a drop of sweat on my sunglasses. So what is that? Huh. Deb. Somebody's headphones or earbuds, I guess. Peace on. All that traffic. And I'm out here about the same time as it was last time. Same day, same time. So I don't know what it is about today. Ooh, got my toe. Almost there. Top of the hill. I mean, there is a parking lot up here, but it doesn't count towards the 10K. So I just went up. A lot of stuff I might not show because we've already been through most of it. until we get to the part where I had to tap out last time, so I'm not gonna show most of the stuff up until that point, but basically I gotta go all the way over there to the end of the lines. And then give it a shot. As you can see, it's not very shaded for a good chunk of it, and it might rain. It's raining north of here right now. We'll see. Got a poncho just in case, or I might just get soaked and I'll cool me down if it starts to rain. We'll see. Alright, so far so good. Seen a lizard. Again, can't get any pictures or video of them because by the time I notice them, they're already scampered off into some cover. Seen a lot of dragonflies, which I like that. So far I've only seen one other person kind of jog by me. Still so hot. I was just thinking about that rain. Like, yeah, if the wind comes in, that'll be nice. If the rain comes in, I'll be okay with that. If it starts lightning, I might be in some trouble. Because, you know, I'm up on this mountain, as they call it. Maybe a ridge, maybe big hills. Oh, do I got you? Might have got a lizard in that video, I don't know. But anyway, yeah, up on this giant pile of dirt. And all these lightning rods I'm basically walking between. So yeah, if it starts lightning, it's going to get pretty dangerous. I'll probably have to head into the woods to take cover somewhere. I mean, my pack has got a tarp in it, so I'm alright, but just kind of thought about that. Yeah, a lot of this water I would not drink out of. Most of this, yeah. Definitely don't treat it like spring water. I would probably avoid drinking it altogether, even with filtration and chemicals and boiling. I'd probably skip all that, at least around here. And at the beginning of the trail, oh my goodness, there was so much glass on the trail. Like, I was glad I was not barefoot. So much glass this time around. Guess a lot of people were out partying, or I don't know, maybe it came up from under the ground. Because I think I read or heard somewhere that this is built on an old landfill. So sometimes metal and glass work their way up. So that's always great. So yeah, just gotta keep your eyes out for that. Awesome news. I have made it past the point where I tapped out last time. Which is awesome. And it looks like I'm just about at the end. So we can turn around and go back and then do one more side trail and finish that 10K. There are some people coming up behind me. Some people ask what sort of wildlife do I see out here. They've asked me that. Mostly birds, squirrels. Seen rabbit a couple times. Saw a deer just once. Seen a few snakes, but I've only seen one rattlesnake. Whew. All right, time to head back. See how I do with that. All right. See, still heading up. Came up that way. Now I'm coming, returning this way. Basically sticking to the left. Feet are feeling okay. I think I might be getting a little hot spot maybe. But I think this is just more play with the laces and break the shoes in. I forgot to wear them over the last week or so to help break them in more from the last episode where I had to tap out because of the blisters. Told myself I was going to wear these for that week just to help break them in, but I forgot. Actually starting to get a little breeze now. Heard some thunder a little bit ago, which I don't like that. I mean, I like the breeze, not the thunder, because of course, as you know, that means lightning. We'll see how it goes. Excuse me, that was a weird hiccup. Oh, thought I was taking a photo. But I started the video instead. It's okay. We'll leave that in for the bloopers. Just soon after I took that video, fat squirrel ran by. Oh, if anybody's wondering what I'm carrying today, again, it's the LT Wright Skeleton Key. Handling that as a neck knife. I guess they got like two different models of them, one D2 and one A1, I think, or it's an O1, maybe it's A1. Wish they'd make it in a CPM stainless. That would be sweet. Also, got the Leatherman on me. It's the Skeletal, I think is what it is. Oh no, sorry, Signal. And what I like about this is got a little ferro rod striker, got a little sharpener, it's got outside access to a saw, and outside access to a knife. So that's a pretty sweet little multi-tool. I've used it a little bit to carve some notches, really. That's a pretty sweet little tool. Looks kind of ugly, but it's sweet. There's a few things I'd change on it. Probably take off that serrated blade, replace it with a straight edge. It's the biggest one. I don't know if there's a way to not make it ugly. All right. Yeah. I meant to give myself a technical DNF, did not finish. I got about 6.5, 7 kilometers before taking a break. So I got from the lower parking lot past the upper parking lot to the end of the trail, turned around, got back to the upper parking lot, and then I had to take a break. So it's about 6.5 to 7 kilometers. And then by then the clouds were getting dark, the thunder was getting closer. So I had to come this way, and as you can see, it's dark. You can hear the thunder. It's raining pretty good. I'm super tired, so I'm not going to do that second part of the trail for 10. But hey, I did a whole lot better than last time. So, that's really good. I still say, even though I didn't finish, I still say it's a win. Because I improved. Oh, almost to the parking lot. Time to get in, get a towel, get dried off. Oh yeah, and just in case anyone's wondering, with this storm and wind, yeah, look at that. Drop from 92 to 77F. That's pretty good. Cool down. Oh. Yep. It's coming down. Oh, and real quick, about 2 minutes after I turned off that last segment, yeah, the temperature dropped all the way to 72, so a 20-degree drop. Then I drove out of the storm and it went back up to 77. I'm tired. I need to rehydrate.